Hey folks, today is April 16th. It's currently 11:18 in the morning. I got a bit of a late start today. It's been a pretty busy morning for me, so I didn't actually start taking trades until 11 o'clock. And this is around where I started looking at the market here. And as you can see, this is where my first trade was taken. We also had this low volume node right here. Market came up, couldn't pass through it. And we got this nice print from out of it. They ended up getting filled right here. Market came down, gave us the first profit target right there, and our second should have been down here, but I ended up moving it up to 55.44 because I figured there would be some support at this level at 55.43 because that's where the high volume node was on the 2-minute, so that's why I moved it up. We did end up getting our second profit target taken out there, and the third was taken out right here. Obviously, if I could have held on, held on to it for a little bit longer, I would have caught that larger drop there. And I was able to record this, but after I got done with the video, the Flashback Express recorder ended up saying that there was an error, and it said that it needed to be closed, and I did close it, and unfortunately it did not save my video, so this is just going to be a recap video, unfortunately. But we can go back here till 9 o'clock. Alright, so I would have usually started trading around this point. As you can see, we have this dashed and dotted line here. This is a reversal line, and I wouldn't have taken this trade because it was going right into this reversal line, and as you can see here, that's exactly what it did. So because of this, we'd be looking for shorts, and we have this low volume node right here. Obviously down here the oscillator is telling us we're looking for shorts, so we could have taken this trade right here.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Would have been a pretty safe trade since we have this right above us. Would have taken this short, and as you can see, the market dropped nicely. That would have been a beautiful winning trade right there. This right here wouldn't have filled us. Market didn't come down enough, and again, most likely wouldn't have taken this trade because we have this node right, not node, but this reversal line right here. And let's see here. There's a buying opportunity right here. 76 up to 86. Nope, wouldn't have been able to get this. It would have been a winner, but we wouldn't have been able to take it. Well, I wouldn't have taken it personally, unless I used a smaller take profit. On this trade, I would have most likely used
CL scalp trade approaching.
This opportunity here. As you can see, we have a selling zone here, and we also have a selling low volume node. So my pending order would have been at this level, and it looks like this one would have worked just as well because the market never came back up to this level here until down here. But this one right here would have got you filled and would have gave you a nice profit here. Wouldn't have been filled on this short trade. Would have gotten filled right here at this level. So that would have been a nice trade to take. 61 down to 51. Would have been able to get our profit right there before this buying low volume node.
Trade approaching.
And as I look at this trade, you possibly would have got filled on this one. That would have been a potential loser right here, depending on where you had your entry price at, either at this level or this level. Alright, here's another beautiful trade setup. We have a low volume node here. The market came up, came down, would have got filled at 52 up to 62, which is right here. Nothing in the way to stop us from taking this trade. Then we have this print right here. Again, beautiful situation. Market came down to this low volume node, would have got filled right here. Would have been able to hit all 3 profit targets before hitting this reversal line. This print would not have been entered. You see here the market didn't come up
CL
enough.
scalp trade approaching.
Again, another beautiful print. Would have been able to take this trade. Would have got our first profit target before the buying, I think that's a low volume node, yep. Before that buying low volume node. We would obviously moved our stop down to break even, and our second would have ended up getting hit, and we would have trailed that last one down. It would have gotten stopped out somewhere, possibly right around here at this level. Alright, this is the trade I ended up taking. We could have got in right here, but I wanted to place my entry price right here at this level,
CL scalp trade approaching.
just in case the market didn't want to continue going down, because I saw that this was green here, and down here also we had this pop up above the zero line for a moment, so that's why I actually entered my pending order right here. But
CL scalp trade approaching.
turned out being a nice trade for us. Got our first full profit filled right here. Got a second one, not full profit target, but still a nice trade there. Then the last profit target was taken out right there at this level. So that's pretty much it for the day. A pretty good day of trading. I checked the chat room, and it looks like the vendor ended up he took one trade, and I believe it was a short. It was a high volume node from this morning, but he starts around 8 o'clock my time, so I wouldn't have been around taking those trades anyway. But that's what happened today. I was able to catch this one trade. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to start trading around the normal time here. A lot of you guys know I work with handicapped and autistic kids in the group home, and sometimes the driver doesn't get there in time, and I have to work over, until they're able to arrive. But hopefully tomorrow will be a typical day, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, have a good day, folks.